Not only is it Mila's birthday and George J. Mitchell Apparel Day, but it's National Pizza Party Day. And you guys know how much I love pizza. So since we wrote how-to books this week, and I wrote how to make pizza, I thought for National Pizza Party Day, I would show you how to make a pizza. First things first, whenever you are cooking, you need to wash your hands. Next, let's check out the ingredients. So, first, I have a pizza dough. Allie, not for you. And you guys know my dad is a pizza man, so I got pizza dough from him. You also need sauce, cheese, and if you like a topping, whichever topping you like. Tonight, we are making pepperoni. The next part is a really fun part. This is when you have to stretch the dough to make it big like a pizza. First, you kind of pull it apart, and then in a circular motion, you flip it around to stretch it out in your hands. Once you think it's kind of big, you can put it on your tray and keep stretching it out. You want a big pizza to fill your hungry tummies. Don't forget about the crust. Go around the edge of your pizza and pinch it up a little bit, kind of like that, to create some crust. When it's in the oven, that part will puff up and then you'll have some yummy crust to eat. Now you need the sauce. So you're gonna evenly put some sauce around. And once you think you have enough, you're going to spread it all around your pizza. Be careful because you don't want to get sauce on your crust, because then it'll disappear. Once your sauce is spread, enough that it's covering the whole pizza, you're gonna add the cheese. You can be super generous with cheese. I know I like a lot of cheese on my pizza. Last step before this hits the oven is the pepperoni. Of course, you could put whatever toppings you like. Some people like pepperoni, some people like mushrooms, some people even like pineapple. If there's extra pepperoni, feed it to your pups. Now it's time for the oven. And now it's time to come out. It looks good. I'm gonna put it aside and leave it for a few minutes to cool off. Just some puppy loving while we wait for our pizza to cool off. Time to cut the pizza. Time for the best part. Rip it apart and take a bite. I hope you had fun making pizza with me. Happy National Pizza